I didn't know what to expect of the SDG game.
A unique experience, bringing like-minded people together. Just kind of focus on a specific goal, but also be able to experience something as a larger collective.
I think the biggest aha moment is we realized that when we achieved our goal between me and my partner, my teammates, we decided everything was fine and we were not really checking out the world's condition anymore.
I think it was interesting how we can make relations with what's happening in the real world, but also when the facilitator Isaac fleshed out how different groups of people can come out with very different results of the world. I think that was quite interesting, and it really drove home the point that depending on who's in the room and their belief systems, it can drive a very different outcome.